Cooking together has always been a magic, warm, and bonding experience. You will always remember the smell of your favorite dish and enjoy every bit of it, even more when surrounded by family or friends. But not all of us can cook, and for many of us, reading recipes is a real burden. Many cookbooks use complicated descriptions, are hard to read, and not usable for children, people with reading disabilities, or chefs from other nations. So, how can we bring the bonding experience of cooking delicious and nourishing meals into your home kitchen while making the experience easy, fun, and available for everyone? Speechless Cookbook will guide you without any wordy descriptions through the cooking process of healthy, vegan, and even kid-friendly meals. Our 14 recipes will make it easy to connect to all of your guests, no matter where they come from or which culture their origin is. Our plant-based and easily prepared and fun recipes are done and ready in no time and create a never-to-forget experience for all the people involved. So let us create some unforgettable memories. Connect with your friends, family, and your children, because everyone can cook with Speechless Cookbook.